What up, everyone? Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, coming at you. If you like the Shiba Inu ecosystem, cryptocurrencies, and the like, you're in the right place. All right, cool. Right now, you guys know Bitcoin hitting $33,682. Okay, it's about to break. In fact, I believe it's about to break the previous high. This is an 18-month high that was just broken earlier today. It's so important for us to keep our eyes on all of these plays because Bitcoin is the king of the cryptocurrency markets as of now, and most likely for the rest of the foreseeable future. With that said, we have to understand Bitcoin dominance is going up. This is leading to what eventually is alt season. All right, guys. So go ahead and we're going to go ahead and check out some of these plays that we're in. We're going to check out some of the Shiba Inu, some of the Shiba Inu. Um, Let me make sure I put my little header. My bad. I'm over here looking at the chart running in, making sure. All right, got that in. All right, cool. So here we are. Bitcoin sitting at 33,700 continues to go up, and in my honest opinion, will continue to go up. Look at this. So part of the reason that Bitcoin is currently mooning is there's rumors of ETFs. Let's go ahead and get into at least a little article that explains the ETF to us. That way we can understand a little bit of what we have going on. But before that, I do want to show you a very important chart though. Okay, especially us. Why are we here? Well, most of the people on my channel are here for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. What does that mean? Well, that means that you guys like Sheeb, you guys like Bone, you guys like Leash, you like Bad Idea, you like Fun, you like the Shiboshis, Wellies, you like NFTs, like the Shiboshis. So that's what I'm saying. So with that said, look at this. The path to alt season. This is it. This is the path to alt season. Phase one is Bitcoin. That's basically why right now I myself am a little pumped. Okay. Phase one, Bitcoin. Flow of money moves into Bitcoin, causing prices surges phase. And then you have the money flow. Okay, so it's going to flow from here down to phase two, but there's always that phase overlap. There's 3 phase overlaps in a 4 phase alt season path. The overlap is money flows into Ethereum, but it struggles to keep up with Bitcoin. Okay, Ethereum goes back and forth with Bitcoin and starts outperforming it. Now I want us to go ahead quickly. We're going to go before Bitcoin reaches 33,800. Okay, literally spiking before our eyes as it approaches 34,000. Here, let's come over here. Main market, in fact, not just Ethereum. We're gonna check it out just so we can see the comparison Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum's market cap is smaller than Bitcoin, but it is not outperforming Bitcoin. That's what I want to show you. So, of course, the path to alt season says that Ethereum has to outperform Bitcoin, even though I do believe this bull run, ETH will outperform Bitcoin because I see Bitcoin probably hitting between 100 and 150,000, probably. So you have now Ethereum probably reaching 10K. So if you look at it like that, that's about a 4 to 5x, and then Ethereum is an over 5x if that is to play out. So here we are. We have the king and the prince of Bitcoin. And look at this. Last 7 days, Bitcoin continues to outperform Ethereum 19.05% to 11.26 over the past 7 days. The past 24 hours, percentage wise, we're looking at Bitcoin still dominating, surging 11.74%, while Ethereum is at 5.71%. Over the last hour, Bitcoin continues to spike up 1.73%. Okay, spiking, mooning. And you have Ethereum going up 0.23, not even a percentage. Okay, so clearly alt season hasn't started. There is going to be a general pump when it comes to the market. Okay, let's just check Bad Idea real quick. I know a lot of the people that keep up with my channel like Bad Idea, so let's just go ahead and check this out. You see what I mean? Here, here it is, and continue. In fact, spiking pretty good, up 18.23%. Okay, Bad Idea. Look at this. And before Bitcoin started to move, I actually was predicting and was waiting for this golden triangle to re-enter with a larger position. But now that this happened, I have to go ahead and reanalyze, see exactly if this is going to continue to go up or if this is going to continue a downward momentum if Bitcoin reverses. Keep in mind, all these prices that are surging is simply because Bitcoin is pumping right now. All right, cool. Let's see. Let me check the comments or comments. I have one comment. Brian Lewis, frustrating. Bone and Bad aren't doing much. Hey, I actually disagree, bro. I don't know if you had checked the chart, but actually, uh, Bitcoin is up 11.75%. Okay, which is big. Okay, this is over one day. And Bad Idea, and here it is. Okay, look, 33.7, 11.71%. And you have Bad Idea over here actually up 16%, actually up more than Bitcoin. So I mean, keep in mind, we are still technically at the end of a bear market. So that is what you would expect. We're not going to get a lot of these tokens pumping. Plus, if we go back, in fact, we will go back to the what's up, T Pro, yo. Um, if we go back to this, which is one of the most important charts, okay, the path to alt season. You see this phase four? That's actually where Bad Idea is. Okay, this is actually where Bad Idea is. So we have to understand that as well. Okay, so you're not you don't want to really downplay. Hold on, give me one quick second. All right, sorry about that, my peoples. Let me see. Yeah. So what was that? Oh yeah. So talking about alt season. So yeah, basically, let me see. So it says, yo, 60% is ass. Want to see 1600%. Of course, bro. Who doesn't want to see that? I get it. What up, y'all? Lower level. What up? Dylan, how much bad y'all got? I'm asking you guys how much bad y'all got. All right, back to the chart though, because like I said, I get it though. You want big gains, okay? But keep in mind though, 1% a day, I believe, is between 30, 35 and 37x a year compounded. So think about that though. So just something to keep in mind. All right, so the path, so we're down here. So the fact we even have that small amount of a pump is really just because Ethereum is pumping. I'm gonna be honest, if it wasn't for Bitcoin actually pumping, you guys saw I had Bad Idea. Here it is. I actually had Bad Idea going down. I had Bad Idea. I was waiting actually for about the 33, 32 level to re-enter with a larger position. So this is actually where Bitcoin started to move, and it just is pumping the entire market like it normally does. Keep in mind also though, if Bitcoin reaches, let's say, 34,000 or 35,000 and gets severely rejected. I'm talking about it goes down 20%. Expect these tokens to also drop. Okay, so that's I'm gonna give you that right there because I know you guys probably want everything to pump, but let's just keep it 100. Dave D, man, where would I be without Dave D telling me to hook me up, guys? Hit that like, all right, smash that like button. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and check out. In fact, right now here I am. So go ahead and let me know what y'all want me to check out because the main point of this is for us to check out this right here, the Bitcoin pump, 33,000 up 10%. Massive, massive. For Bitcoin, keep in mind, we're talking about a multi-billion-dollar market cap. So 10% of $500 billion is okay. Now we're talking a lot. We're talking $50 billion moving. Okay, so that's sheesh. That's a lot of money. All right, cool. Hitting all this back here. Let's see what Bone's at. All right, don't think I forgot about you, Bone. Where you at? I know Bone also. I'm gonna keep it 100. Look, I had Bone going down. Here's this is my chart. I never rearrange anything for you guys. If anything, I'm over here trying to get highs, predict the lows, so I can position myself right. And here it is. I had this low right here, okay, and it actually started spiking up. There's nothing I could really do about that. But then it started to come back down. I suspected it was going to hit this and was going to actually hit 69 cents. Okay, so I was waiting for the 69.69 cents so I could enter Bone as well. But then what happened? Well, Bitcoin started a pump. And here we have the pump. Okay, just a massive pump occurring right here, just pushing Bone up all the way to almost 80 cents, up 8.68% today. All right, so nothing to scoff at. And actually, if you look at Pepe was actually mooning pretty sick too. This and here, what's Bone at? So Bone's still at a $181 million market cap, circulating supply 229.91 million. You have 91,000 holders. I believe Bone will hit 100,000 holders sometime within 2024 for sure. Okay, that this one is one of those sleepers. Don't forget when this hits $1 billion in market cap, it'll be a 5x from this position. Keep that in mind. Something to make sure we analyze when we try to position ourselves in these plays extremely early before the bull run. Okay, that's the thing. And in fact, if you guys don't know about the bull run or when it's going to happen or when the halving is going to happen, I got you guys. Okay, here, let's go ahead and check this out real quick. What do we got? We got the coin market cap Bitcoin halving clock. Okay, for 2024, expected sometime in April 2024. The clock is at 176 days, 17 hours, 8 minutes, and 23 seconds. All right. So it says on April 2024, the block reward will be reduced from 6.25 Bitcoin per block to 3.125 Bitcoin per block. Okay. So it almost seems like the goal, guys, it might be too hard by now, though, is to get at least half of whatever this is, because that's what the next halving is going to be. Okay, so that would be at about 1.5 Bitcoin or something like that. 1.5 Bitcoin. So something to keep in mind as well. Okay, not financial advice. I'm just doing that off the head, looking at this right now. It seems like a very obvious play. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's going on. So what do I have? SHIB. Let's go ahead and check out SHIB. I'm gonna check out SHIB. I'm gonna check out Calcium. I'm gonna check out Paulzone. I'm gonna check out Pepe because Pepe was going crazy. Actually, Pepe hit like 33% something, and I had already said I believe Pepe might be the first meme coin to hit $100 billion. Okay, I know it sounds crazy to say $100 billion, but that's what I think, guys. I believe Pepe will be the first one to hit that. All right, let's go ahead and check it out real quick, though. I don't want to make this long, but I do want to cover as much as possible. Let's go ahead and check out SHIB. Okay, SHIB is sitting at a 6.62% over the past 24 hours, 507608, market cap at $4.48 billion, total market cap 7.60 billion is the total market cap. You can see an absolute massive spike right here, just bop, shooting up. All right, let's see what we got over here. And of course, at 1.3 million holders. Let's check out Paul Zone. What's Paul Zone looking like? Paul Zone is oh wait, hold up. This is Pepe. Pepe looking extremely bullish, looking like it's still gonna continue to go up. Actually, just broke the $400 million market cap. Total market cap sitting at $424.60 million. Look at this, up 36.81. Have to give Pepe its respect. I know people don't like when I cover Pepe. I don't even have a position in Pepe, but Pepe is going to be the king of meme coins until Shiba Inu is able to accomplish what it's trying to accomplish. Okay, so just keeping it 100 with you guys. All right, let's go ahead now and check out where Calcium's at. Calcium sitting at a 7.35% increase over the past 24 hours, broke the 2 penny mark. Okay, sitting at 2 cents, 0 12 20 0 2012, and here we have it at market cap 4.12 million, circulating supply 204 million Calcium tokens, and the total market cap is actually double this, so it'd be at 8.24 million, something like that. This is actually incorrect. Okay, so just giving you guys a heads up there, and it approaches 5,000 holders. Here it is. We got Calcium looking nice, and honestly, this chart right here looking extremely bullish. This looks like it could actually run up. It looks like it could potentially run up. So here, let's look at this right here. Let's see what occurs over here, if anything even happens. Okay, could bounce down one more time and shoot back up over here. All right, it's one of those, like a delayed token, if you will. All right, cool. Let's see what Paul Zone is looking like, and then I'm gonna go through your comments, and then if also let me know what kind of content you guys want me to do for you guys as well. Okay, so Paul Zone sitting at a total market cap of 4.20 million. Okay, only 4 million. Okay, that's why I'm bringing you these plays. Look at this. The supply is extremely low as well. 485 billion tokens only, less than half a trillion already burnt. Holders 2,840, up 16.25%. Okay, so I mean, it is what it is, my people. Think about these plays now before the bull run. It's only and this is not financial advice. This is just me putting you on plays that I think are interesting, plays that are related to the Shibarium and Shiba Inu ecosystem, except for Pepe and Bitcoin and Ethereum that I've been talking about. Every single token is related to it, including this one, Tokiller, which is up 9.51%, shot up like 46% like a day ago. Okay, so maybe this is, maybe this is the canary in the coal mine. When this one shoots up, maybe we gotta pay attention to things. So look, absolute flip, and here it is, just absolutely just going from about a 2.93 million market cap to 7.15. Told you guys about that during the live. All right, just something to keep in mind. Just over 2,000 holders in that play. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and check out where Bitcoin's at real quick, and then I'm gonna check out your comments, and then I'm gonna be out. Oh, damn, look at that. It's still, I mean, look at this. It's still looking bullish. It's still looking bullish, man. It's looking bullish as hell. That's crazy how bullish this is looking. All right, cool. So let's go ahead. All right, so Dylan 16 is asked. I want to see 16. All right, what's up, y'all? Lower level. All right, Dylan, how much bad y'all got? Lower level piles got in at 6,000 holders. All right, Dave D smashed the like button. Good looking out, Dave D. Appreciate you. Dylan, I'm holding 135 billion. I want to buy more, but I need to see something happen. Bad isn't doing shit. I don't know. I think Dylan is a little impatient. Like, I mean, I'm not trying to talk about you, Dylan, but I feel like you're really impatient, bro. Like, because keep in mind, it shot up more than the majority of the tokens that we're talking about. And the main token we're talking about is Bitcoin. I mean, if you're moving it's one of the small caps that actually is moving more than Bitcoin. Not even Ethereum, which has more utility than bad, is moving more than Bitcoin. But when it starts to move more than Bitcoin, see, okay, let me finish the chart too, because I think Dylan, this one's for Dylan right here, guys. It's really important for me to go through this, especially for Dylan. Okay, because see, Dylan, what's gonna happen is this. Once phase two starts to happen, Bad Idea is also going to start to pump, okay, because it's an Ethereum based token. Okay, so then it's gonna get momentum, it's gonna be pumping. Bad, SHIB, Bone, Toad, Calcium, all paired with Ethereum. So they're all going to go up. Then what's going to happen? There's going to be an overlap. Money is going to start to trickle down into the large caps where we see large buy-ups happening. Don't forget, what does that mean? That's Bone, SHIB, like the big players. At by that time, most likely Bad Idea might be a large cap by that point. Don't forget, it did hit over $150 million already of fully diluted market cap. So I'm just saying, keep that in mind. So the overlap continues regardless of market cap. Some altcoins, which is what we're talking about, Bad Idea, with strong fundamentals, which is this one is perhaps one of the strongest, is having pumps. Absolutely. So pump right here, it's going to pump right here, it's going to pump right here, and then right here. Large caps have gone full vertical, and we're seeing blow off tops. Mid caps, which is basically where I expect Bad Idea to be. Low caps and micro caps all tend to pump around the same time. Large caps have been outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so don't forget, pump here, and then it's going to pump even more than all of them. Okay, it seems every coin is going parabolic regardless of the fundamentals. Memes are everywhere. Everyone is super excited, and you feel the mania in the air. So that hasn't even happened. Keep in mind, look, I just showed you this, bro. I literally just showed you this right here. I don't know. It's almost like I'm talking to myself sometimes when I see some of your comments. Okay. So and I'm gonna tell you something. You can't force time to go faster. Period. So like, you know, plays that are strong, that have strong fundamentals, like Bad Idea, like SHIB, like Bone, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, will pump when their phase is in time. Okay, once that moment comes in, not before. Okay, but and if it does happen before, it'll just come right back down because people are gonna sell off. Okay, there's no way around it. All right, cool. I'm holding 135. I want to buy more, but I need to see something. So there it is. All right. So lower level, Bitcoin hit 34.9. Yep. Pepe was up 35. Yep, it was. Pepe looks like it's going to go some more. I do think it might go some more, honestly, the way that thing is going. Like I I predicted Pepe would go to $100 billion. So that's actually 100x. And it sounds even crazy to say, but Pepe is the king of meme coins. Because eventually I don't think Bad Idea, Bone, and SHIB will remain meme coins. SHIB will be probably the only hybrid meme coin that I can see, honestly. But who knows? I mean, we'll see. It is one of the original dogs, if you will permit. All right, so Bad has had some big pumps on its own. When the market pops off, it's gonna rocket or it's gonna moon. And I agree. Pepe up 39%. Let's go ahead and check out Pepe one more time because you know what? Pepe is going to continue. I'm getting a little Pepe FOMO. I'm not even gonna lie, because Pepe, look at that. Sheesh. Pepe up 40%. That's nice. I'm not even gonna lie. Basically, that means like if you had $1,000 yesterday, you'd be sitting on $1,400 right now. Okay, that's what that pump is. I could absolutely, and it's still pumping. Look at that, reach 411. I could absolutely see Pepe just mooning, absolutely mooning, straight up. Don't sleep on Pepe, my people. And look, it looks like Bad Idea is also about to reach the 5,000 level pretty soon. All right, so look, it's still it's close. All right, let's see. I'm expecting calcium also to absolutely just pop off, just come red, 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 and just absolutely just pop off. Of course, at the end of the day, though, we do need Bitcoin. You see, Bitcoin here, and Bitcoin is also going up. Though here it is. We got Bitcoin at 33,757. Okay, I definitely could see that going to 34,000. All right, so cool. Let's go ahead and see if there is any. It says, "Wish I had a bunch of Pepe, the booger coin." Hmm. Yeah, whew, man, Pepe is up and down, and it's definitely one of the most explosive tokens that's out there. That's why I'm saying right now is the time for people to try to position themselves in some of these plays, especially knowing that the ETFs are coming. Here, let me go ahead and that's what I wanted to show you guys actually before I do something else. And let me know what you guys want me to do content on. That way, when I do the next video, I can try to satisfy what you guys want. You feel me? So let's go ahead and see what these. I have so many windows open right now. It's so damn hot too. All right. Who it's a look at this. It's at 30. Oh, it broke it. 33,800 officially right now, according to Coin Market Cap. We're watching that live, just absolutely going up as we expected. Of course, don't forget, Bitcoin eventually, in my honest opinion, and this is not financial advice, will be over $1 million. Okay. One Bitcoin. Okay. That's my opinion. Okay. Once again, not financial advice, just based on a lot of the research that I've done. And you guys know I like research, my people. I like research. All right, cool. Let me see. Why does this look so weird? All right, let me see if I could actually. All right, here it is. Look, so let's see this one right here. 7 days ago, 1 day, 8 hours, two. Here it is. This one. Damn, 114 million in shorts liquidated as well. Think about that too. People betting against Bitcoin getting absolutely demolished right now. But don't let this could be a trap. Don't. That's why I mean it's pumping and we're all excited, but this could be a trap. This could absolutely just come down and smash all the way back down to damn near 28, 25,000. And if that happens, you guys already know how everyone wants to get out. So here, let me go ahead and hit this real quick right here. So Bitcoin touches 34,000 as 114 million in shorts liquidated. A second rally for the day triggered 145 million in overall crypto market liquidations. Okay, this could be manipulated, and then could right now people are betting on longs, right? Putting their longs in. So then what do? They sell. And if they do sell, you know that those longs aren't going to be very long for too long because they're going to have to pay to maintain those positions open. Okay. So here it is. So after a Monday morning rally that saw the price of Bitcoin shoot past $31,000, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap got a second wind hours later, surpassing 34,000 later in the day, according to data from CoinGecko. I like CoinGecko. The CoinGecko terminal API is one of the best uh, market um, plays that you have. What is it? It's the user interface. The new benchmark set a new high for 2023, reaching values not seen since last May, triggered a torrent of Bitcoin shorts, leading to 114 million in liquidation in the last hour. The 145 million in total across crypto assets, according to analytics firm CoinGlass. And here is the picture of all of these shorts getting liquidated. Boom. 114 million. You got 19 million in ETH, some in Bitcoin Cash, some in Link, some in XRP, some in Solana, some in Matic, BNB, FTN, Phantom. So yeah, just something to keep in mind. So it says on leading crypto exchange Coinbase, BTC or Bitcoin was trading at premium closer to 35,000. Bitcoin Coinbase premium just skyrocketed. Look at this. Sheesh. I'm telling you, supply and demand. The fact is, this is going to continue, especially with all the money that's being printed right now. It's only gonna pump Bitcoin up if you think about it. So the pair of rallies to start the week have been attributed to building anticipation over the pending approval of Bitcoin spot ETF applications by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Earlier today, a Washington, D.C. judge officially ordered the SEC to take another look at a long delayed and litigated spot Bitcoin ETF application from Grayscale after the regulatory agency failed to respond to an earlier court inquiry. Also today, global investment giant BlackRock updated its own application to note that it had started to take the preliminary steps needed to launch its Bitcoin spot ETF, including allocating funds and securing a ticker symbol. The moves don't guarantee an approval is coming, but they suggest confidence the SEC will eventually do so. Crypto analysts are saying that both price spikes have pierced market resistance thresholds at 31,000 and 34,000, respectively. A bullish sign. Popular crypto Twitter commentator Rec Capital says the price action is likely to disprove the bearish Bitcoin fractal, a pricing model that assumes price could rally to record highs before additional downside pulls it back. Okay. And that is true. Basically, a fractal meaning they take a part of uh, a previous Bitcoin chart and then they overlay that Bitcoin chart over the current one to try to predict. Okay. So Bitcoin, hashtag Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pressing higher beyond the range high resistance red. However, this is where previous FOMO upside wicks have formed before orange area. So yeah, see, sure enough. And that's basically where we're at the 34. We broke right through that FOMO. FOMO upside wicks. All these FOMO, look at this. Yep, I saw some of these earlier too. Okay, so it says, however, this is where previous Homo upside wicks have formed before orange era. Bitcoin, crypto, okay, red capital. It says at range high resistance after breaking its multi-month lower high, reclaim red as support and or weekly close beyond would likely confirm a breakout beyond the range high. Until then, there is scope for a pullback into the high, 27,000 for a retest. Okay, so that's so he's saying reclaim red as support. Okay, so come up here and or weekly close beyond would likely confirm a breakout beyond the range high. So up here, okay, where we're at currently. Until then, there is scope for a pullback into the high 27. Okay, right here, this downward momentum is what he was talking about. So, but he's not. I actually respect the wicks. It looks like he's just looking at the body, the closing candles. So, but yeah, so here to here, we're here now. So, all right, let's keep going. Oh, and that's it. All right, cool. Well, that's a little insight for you guys to try to also analyze what this actually means. So, of course, um, Bitcoin is king of crypto. So the fact that it touched 34,000, the fact that people are getting liquidated does suck, but they were betting against it. So guess what's going to happen? They're either going to reopen their positions and get try to time the market for a pullback, or what's going to happen is they will now flip to bullish, probably stay out of the market a little bit, see what's going to happen, wait for a small pullback to enter in the long. But this could be a bull trap. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's see what we got going on with the chats, with the comments over here. Let me see lower level. And let me just say this, everyone that is commenting and everyone that's asking questions, everyone that's asking questions of each other, that is how we build community. So you guys are able to engage with each other and also keep the vibes going. All right, if because normally as soon as the conversation dies, people start tailoring off. I'm like, all right, cool, good stuff. Because I just want to make sure you guys get into some of these positions. Of course, not financial advice, but you guys see that. I mean, even bad is slowly going up. You see Bone at 78 cents. You see Shib at 750. Cal is slowly about to explode, in my opinion. You see Pepe absolutely just taking off over 40% today. So that's just very bullish. Okay, so let's see what we got over here. Lower levels. All right, so man, I'm glad you covered Bad Idea AI. Not many people talking about bad. Yeah, you're right. Feel free to sub. Feel free to like. Feel free to ask any question about bad. Like I tell you guys, Bad Idea is one of the hidden gems of the Shibarium and Shiba Inu ecosystem. It is the official partner when it comes to artificial intelligence, the official AI partner SHIB of the Shibarium blockchain. Think of how much data, once again, I'm assuming they would have access to once that gets rolling. That idea would have a huge advantage. All right, so I noticed I didn't have my camera on, but it's cool. I can leave it off. So I have a question. What brought you to Bad Idea? So I cover Bad Idea. I cover any Shiba Inu ecosystem. In fact, right now I deviated a little bit with Pepe and all that because I have to give Pepe respect. Like I've been telling you guys, I believe Pepe will absolutely moon during the bull run. I believe Shiba Inu is absolutely gonna moon. Bone gonna moon, and the rest of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Once again, if you like the Shiba Inu ecosystem, this is one of the channels for you. I cover a lot of alpha. Okay, don't forget when it comes to Shiba Inu, we're talking a metaverse. Okay, we're talking a metaverse. We're not just talking a pump and dump. We're talking a metaverse where there's gonna be burns. There's gonna be art exhibits. There's gonna be galleries. There's gonna be cars. People are gonna be able to build their houses, build the projects they want, amusement parks, stores are going to start coming in, apartment complexes. I mean, activities, concerts, movies, everything will require Bone for transactions because it will be taking place on the Shibarium blockchain. We're so early. For you to put pictures on walls, SHIB is going to be needed. Leash is the metaverse token. So most likely what people have been speculating for years is that Leash is actually what people will need to build in the metaverse. If that's true, I don't know. I would assume it could be any Shiba Inu token, but if that's the case, that's another utility. Every single token has a DAO. Bone DAO, SHIB DAO, Leash DAO, when Treat is released, which is going to be the Shiba Inu reward token, it also will have a DAO. Bad Idea will have a DAO. Paw Zone, which is an official, unofficial, or unofficial official, however you want to look at it, Shiba Inu token, which has an NFT marketplace. It has a DeFi spot, and it has a gaming guild, the Shiba Inu gaming guild that people aren't even on yet. Gonna have season passes when it comes to that. I mean, look, we are so early right now, and Bitcoin is, oh my God, Bitcoin broke 34,000, my people. So this is what I'm talking about. It's unstoppable right now. Is it going to come back down to 28,000 and scare the crap out of everyone and have everyone now sell off because they don't want to lose what they gain? I mean, look, this is where we're at right now. 34-1. This is what we've been waiting for. This is what people have been predicting. I believe Bitcoin will reach $1 million between, look, Bitcoin will be between $1 and $10 million in the long run. Okay, that's what I honestly believe. I do believe in the long run, if things go according to plan. Damn, right now it's going crazy. It's about to hit 34,200. If things go according to plan, even SHIB will reach the 1 cent. Okay, you guys have to understand how early we are. We are crazy early. The one thing is, I'm gonna tell you this much. Hey, what up, Baja Lifer in the house? Good to see you, man. And of course, Wilfredo Torres, Crypto Hoarder. I see you guys, man. I see you. My bad, just on a little rant right now. What I was gonna tell you is, you have to understand these are long-term projects. If you're thinking that you're gonna come in and just become rich overnight, or that it's gonna pump 16, or what did what did Dylan say earlier? See this right here, 1600%. It could happen, but you know what though? Even if it does pump 1600%, bruh, like that's only like a 16x. You know, like I mean, it's a good play, but 16x only. Like I'm trying to, you feel me? I'm trying to get in on the 100x's. So that's why, but it's good for everyone to have their positions and to want to accumulate more and to want more and to be impatient. But what I will tell you is this: time Warren Buffett, who's one of the richest investors, said this, and this is one thing I'll tell you guys, because you guys always want to get get in on the bottom. Okay, so officially now we have what appears to be 34,184. Now a new high for the year for Bitcoin, literally occurring right now. Let me see if I can do it on the Wrapped BTC so I can get a little something over here. If not, we'll see if I can go to Crypto Watch, but I think Kraken Pro might have actually bought it. So I don't even know if it's free anymore. But okay, here, the 15-minute. So it didn't actually beat the wick. It hasn't beat the wick. Look at how crazy this is looking. Look how crazy this is actually looking. If you actually look at this. And look at this candle. This is the beginning of the candle, by the way. All right. Within the next 15 minutes, this could actually shoot up beyond this, because this is solid right here. Look at this bullish engulfment. Look at bullish engulfing this one. Wick, shot up, got sold. Actually, look, we have wicks sold right here. Wasn't able to take it out. Actually, continue to buy up. The FOMO is kicking in when it comes to the market. Here, let's come back over here. Yeah, 34,246. Okay, here we are. Officially broke the previous all-time high, which was 30. Wait, what was this? Hold up, this moved on me. It was 34,029, and we're at 34,200, basically 50. Okay, this is crazy. This is exactly what we wanted to see. All right, here, let me go back real quick. I'm getting distracted now by looking at that chart, looking so sexy. All right, cool. It says, man, I'm glad you covered Bad Idea. Not many people do. Hey, I do. So welcome. And how do I do it? I do polls. If the community votes for it, I did cover bad when it was spiking, so a lot of people slid in to my channel for that. But if that's what you guys want me to cover, there's no reason why I won't cover it. So I have a question. What brought you to Bad Idea? I cover Shiba Inu ecosystem, everything. If it's mentioned by Shytoshi, in fact, one thing I'm going to tell you guys about Toad before I forget, and this is crucial. You see this spike that occurred over here? Here, let me show you guys. The little spike that made it 46% or whatever. This spike right here occurred because Shytoshi mentioned it. Shytoshi was in, it mentioned Toad in Telegram. Okay, so just a little heads up. If the lead of Shiba Inu is mentioning a project, okay, and saying bad idea, for example, is one of the phases of Shiba Inu, I would think you might want to pay attention to some of those plays. I mean, just it makes sense. At this rate, this is definitely gonna hit 35,000. My fear is that it's going to get rejected at 35,000. Honestly, we'll see if it actually gets rejected and gets if it. I don't want to see it drop more than 15%. If it drops more than 15%, people might get a little scared. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and check out the questions as well. All right, cool. So we got Wilfredo Torres. Good, exciting evening, Crypto Army. Absolutely, bro. Look at this. About to break 34.5 as we're literally at the all-time high for the year as of this moment. We're living it right now. It's crazy. All right, T Pro 1115 big money is on pouring in. Absolutely. Think about it. The market cap for Bitcoin, okay, is $672 billion. Okay. So we're talking about 13%. That's over $70 billion entering the market just today. $70 billion. The volume is at $41 billion over 24 hours. Okay. Think about that. Up 240%. Over 240%. All right, cool. Let's keep going, my people. So we got lower level says Telcoin up 16%. Green stuff all over the market. Absolutely. My XRP bag is happy. XRP, another one we have to respect. But if it comes to Shiba Inu versus XRP, Shiba Inu all day, every day. Okay. We have to understand that Shiba Inu is the new Bitcoin, my people. Like that probably doesn't make sense to many people right now, but Shiba Inu is the new Bitcoin. Like what it's trying to accomplish is beyond what anything that any project has ever even attempted to accomplish. Okay, that's the difference between Shiba Inu and the rest of every single token out there, including Bitcoin. Unfortunately, Bitcoin doesn't have a lead developer, that can guide it to become a nation state, like Shiba Inu is now trying to become a nation state with the Montevideo protocols. Okay, eventually recognized at the United Nations. Okay, this is where we're going. This is the trajectory. Citizens of a nation, physical and digital, called Shibasens. All right, this is where we're at. All right, cool. Let's keep going. So it says, Wilfredo Torres says, anything on the Blaze token that is supposed to burn SHIB tokens. You know what? I actually did look into it and it looked really good. I almost bought some. I'm not gonna lie. It was at like $1.6 million and the chart was looking extremely bullish because it is a Shiba Inu related token. I am going to look it up real quick. Yeah, actually, and it looked really good. I'm not even gonna lie. It was kind of weird though the way it was spelled. Oh, here it is. Yeah, see this one right here. You guys see this or no? It's lagging so much because I have so much open right now. But yeah, see, it was at 1.6. It was at 1.6 and it's at 1.86. And look, the entire chart is green. So the one thing though is it does have a sell tax, okay, of 6%. So this is one of those coins you might want to get into and hold. But look, the whole chart, the whole except for the very beginning. I did check the very beginning had a bunch of sells when it was launched. Here, let's move this over. Okay. I don't want to move this, but I'm gonna have to. I just want to show you guys real quick. So here, this was the dip, this was the low right here. But yeah, see, when it came out, there was a lot of sell pressure, a lot of sell pressure, dipped massively. But right now, I did check and look at this. This is literally one of the most bullish charts that I've seen. Look at this. It's just nothing but green. It's just going up, 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 up. Like every day, though, I'm talking about. And even when it dips a day or two, it goes back up. Look at this. Massive. So yeah, definitely check. I checked that one out. Um, it's very interesting. It's on my radar. Thank you, because I think you brought it up to me before. So who knows? Maybe I'll have to check it out and get into it. I don't, because it's only at a 1.86 million market cap. The one thing is I don't know much about the team, and but I do like that it is Burning Blaze. In fact, on the website it says that for every sale it sells, for every sell it burns Blaze token, and then I guess eventually burns Shiba Inu, and it's burned a bunch of Shiba Inu already. If you go to the website, in fact, let me just quickly go to the website since it is alive and you did bring it up, because why not? All right, let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let me go ahead and finish this water. All right, so here it is, Blaze token. And then it shows you right here. This is what I wanted to show you guys, that the Shiba Inu, look, it according to this, it's burned over 12 billion. Bro, why did you just do that? It burned over, stop. Why is it doing that? So it burned over 12 billion tokens, and it burned over 193 billion Blaze tokens. So this is what's remaining with the Blaze tokens. So you can see it's burned a huge percentage of it already. Okay. So I guess it started out at 1 trillion tokens and it's burned 190, so about 19% already. So see what I mean? So yes, something to keep in mind. I didn't know about this token, but I believe it was you that brought it up last time. So thank you for doing that. And yeah, this is extremely bullish for sure, bro. Extremely bullish. Okay. So yeah, it's one of those plays I definitely have on my radar now, bro. So thank you for that, Wilfredo. So yeah, it's looking nice, bro. So it says crypto hoarder. Props, bro. I really appreciate your content. My bags are looking good, and you have been a lot of help with that. I would like to see you get some more viewers. So let's hear about some ETH next. For sure, for sure. Well, I'm glad, bro. I actually started doing that because, as you guys know, I would cover a bunch of tokens, right? Because those are the ones that get views. So at first, I'm like, all right, cool. Let me go ahead and cover meme coins because I cover meme coins, and with a central focus on SHIB, right, and Bone. But then what happened was this: because those are so volatile, and I can only make a video saying, all right, this token is out. I can't tell you guys when to get in and when to get out, though. So a lot of times the token would pump, I'm over here out or whatever it is, and then people still in. So it created like this dynamic where people don't know how to trade. So they get stuck and then they're like, oh, you made a video about this. Well, I made a video that was literally titled High Risk Gamble Play. Do not buy. You know what I mean? So there's only so much I could do. But when it came to Shiba Inu, though, every Shiba Inu play was on point. I can't fade Shiba Inu. I mean, everything is high quality. Even this Blaze token is looking crazy. Look at this, looking crazy. So definitely put that one on your radar. Let's go ahead and check out ETH real quick just to see what ETH is doing before we do anything else. Let's see. Let's see what wrapped ETH version 299. All right, here it is. So ETH, we got ETH right here at 1796. Absolutely mooning too. It looks like it's about to break 1800. It's about to break 1800. Okay, so it actually was there before that. So the one thing about that is it's not as exciting. I'm gonna be honest, it's not as exciting as Bitcoin. Okay, right now, ETH has been kind of just going sideways for the most part, and honestly, it's not alt season yet. Ethereum starts getting exciting. Honest, I'm gonna keep it 100. Ethereum gets exciting once it breaks 2,000, once it breaks 3,000. It starts to really get that, and once it's approaching 4,000, that's when like everyone is talking about Ethereum's gonna flip Bitcoin. It's gonna, okay, so that's the thing, but you can't fade it. Ethereum right now is going to continue to go up because Bitcoin is going up. In fact, let's quickly slide back to Bitcoin to see if it's at the 34.5 yet. It's there. Look at that, just going up and down, just struggling to beat that up 14.14%. Okay, this right here is, we are currently at the all-time high for the year. Okay, we are in that moment right now. All right, this is one of those moments where it's like you're either in it or you're not. Everything's gonna pump. And the one thing is, if this turns out to be a trap and it gets rejected at the 35,000 level, or if it starts to just come back down and breaks like under 30,000, sheesh, expect a lot of our tokens to also just go down as well. Here, let's go ahead and check out calcium, because I'm actually expecting calcium to explode. Yeah, this is what I was talking about, baby. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, don't sleep on calcium. Do not sleep on calcium. All right, here it is up. It's at $4.45 million, and actually, look at this, about to break, about to not break, I guess, because I guess that would be up here. But who knows? Maybe it will. Maybe it started, because look at this explosive movement. First of all, you guys can see I have my parabolas over here. Okay, just calling all of these plays right here. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Of course, it caught it right here. Okay, you got to respect the flow of it. Caught it right there, and actually shot up way more. So I boom, and of course, it's gonna come back down. Okay, it's gonna come back down, but boom. Okay, past that, past that, past that, and here we have it. Absolutely just taking off again. Boom. Now it might actually do this or just continue to spike up. Look how explosive it is when, look at how explosive this token, Calcium, which is an unofficial, official token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Once again, I'm bringing you the banger plays. I wish when I started, someone like me was like, hey, bing, all these plays right here, solid. Instead of saying, all right, go ahead and get Cow Inu, get Dog Inu, get XYZ Inu, get Inu. You feel me? And it's like a bunch of plays that then get rugged. Now get you into some plays right now that have liquidity, that have a team, that have a vision. SHIB, any SHIB token. That's why I cover it. Okay. And of course, this one was deployed by the Shiba Inu deployer. Okay, it was by the Shiba Inu deployer. So that right there makes it, whether they say don't buy it, buy it. This is an officially released token by the Shiba Inu deployer. So there it is. Let's go ahead and check out what we got over here coming. So let me see. All right, so good, exciting evening. I agree. Props, bro. I really appreciate your content. My bags are looking good, and you have been a lot of help. You know what? I appreciate that, bro. Those comments like that make it all worthwhile. I met a Shib Whale at the Metallica concert, and he turned me on to Bad Idea. Who is he? Do you still have his number? He might be able to turn us on to some of the other plays. But right now, I'm going to tell you, this is not financial advice, but Shiboshis, people. Do not sleep on Shiboshis. What happened with the Bored Apes? The Bored Apes got NFT airdrops just for having their apes. These guys got tokens. I believe Treat will be airdropped to some Shiboshi holders. And I was thinking about this. In fact, if you think this would be a fire idea, put W in the chat. And if not, put L. Okay. Imagine Shiba Inu was to drop Treat on Halloween. Trick or treat. Sheesh. W in the chat if you think that'd be a banger idea if they were to do that. Of course, I have no evidence of that, but yo, that'd be banger. Of course. All right. So that's interesting, Lower. That you were able to meet. First of all, that you were able to meet a sheep whale in the first place. You know what I mean? So that's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. I wish I would have got in earlier. Okay, cool. Baja Lifer, what up? And then T Pro 1115 is asking Baja, hey Baja Lifer, where you at? I'm in Los Barriles. All right. It says Dutch Wabbit, Shib Army, what up, Dutch Wabbit? Reporting for duty, sir. Of course, man. Appreciate you reporting for duty, man. This is where it's at. Shib Army, the Bone Army, above all. Don't forget, Bone Army. Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army. Why? The Shib Army is like the main army that kind of goes, right? Just throughout. But the Bone Army goes through all the details. We're like the special forces. You feel me? We're like the elite forces. Okay, so it's like we're like the guerrillas. Okay, whew, don't even get me started, baby. All right, cool. So Wilfredo Torres, yeah, man. I hope you appreciate that. Wilfredo definitely wanted to cover that. Crypto Hoarder also covered a little Ethereum for you as well. Baja Lifer is in Rosarito. Damn, if I ever go down, bro, you know, you might have to catch a couple brews down there and maybe some lobster, bro. It's been a while. Baja Norte. All right, cool. So, and of course, here we have again. I mean, I don't mean to repeat myself, but it's looking like this is going to continue to moon at 2 cents. This might go to 3 cents if this continues. Now absolutely exploding to 21%. This one could go to 40%. Don't forget, it gets to a point where like every like single percent that it kind of goes up, it's almost like multiplying, you know, because it goes up in percentage, but when it keeps going up, like the percentages keep going higher, like I've noticed. So even if it goes up like maybe to like 24 or something, which is like just not, it's two is 1/5 of a cent, it'd be like 40% went up or something like that. So just something to keep in mind. Cool. With that said, my people, I almost feel bad. I don't want to cut this off, man. I really don't want to cut this off. Yeah, buddy, come on down. Right? For real, it'd be fire. It'd be fire us. Be like right there. I'll do a live stream. Be like, yo, right here with Baja, Lifer, and T Pro, just grilling some lobster, having some brews. Crypto Marxist coming at you from Rosarito's Baja Norte. No, it'd be crazy. All right, cool. Well, damn, I almost feel like leaving this, bro. I almost feel like just leaving this up. Shit, you guys saw that? Just went up 100%. Just went up $100. It's at 34,734, up 14.71%. I don't know. Oh my bad, you guys didn't even catch that. Oh, that sucks. But here it is. It basically went like this, boop, and when I got here, went like this, boop, all the way up. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I just let this rock? Should I just let this rock? I don't know if I should just leave. Should I leave this on and maybe come back later, or just or sign off? I don't know. Like this right here is almost like I almost want to document this, even if it turns into an AFK stream where you guys just talk to yourselves. I don't know. So it says, I always ask for bad, so changing it up. Thanks for the feedback. When I take profits, I have been putting it in ETH until I buy the dips with it. I may park it in wrapped BTC. I would okay, not financial advice. To go ahead, you can't go wrong with that. Okay, you can't go wrong with that. The one thing I would say is it's probably better to put it in some mid to large caps because I believe they'll go up more than Bitcoin. Like for example, don't forget the all-time high for Shiba Inu was like 8,000, right at the 8,000 mark. So right now it's at like 700. So it's up over 10x. Okay, Bitcoin is probably gonna hit like 120,000 to 150,000. So you're really talking about like a 4 to 5x if it even reaches that at the um, peak of the bull run. Of course, we'll have to go in and reanalyze that, but I'm just pointing that out to you guys, because 5x is good and it's a secure, but what I would say is instead of that, I would take some of those profits and move them into bone or SHIB, which are more volatile. But once again, you can set your goal. Do you want just a 5x or do you want potentially more? So if you're looking at, let's say, a 7.5x, you can exit half of that position when you reach that and then write out the rest and slide that into, I would say, by that point, and we're talking now, don't forget the Bitcoin halvening is right here. All right. That's why I keep showing you this is very important. Time is running out. Time is running out. You guys need to start positioning yourselves because there's going to be two pumps. That's what also a lot of people forget. There's like a pre pump before the bull run, then there's a crash, and then the bull run continues for the rest of the year, which is 2024, into 2025, most likely September, October, November. Most likely October of 2025 is where the peak's going to be. It's very important for you guys to understand these time frames if you want to time the market. If not, you're going to be left holding the bag, and that kind of sucks. All right, here, let me just go over here before Bitcoin breaks $35,000 live on air right here. Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army. Definitely wanted you guys to catch this with me. I mean, it's been a journey. I told you it was going to happen. I almost don't want to leave until it happens. I don't want to say I told you so, but what's important here is if it breaks 35,000, what's going to happen? One, it's going to either go sideways or it could get severely rejected, coming back down to 33,000. Okay, so just something for you guys to be aware of. Here, let me go grab a water. I'll be right back, my people. Yo, yo. Oh, it broke it already? Damn, I missed it. I was gone for half a minute. Bro, what the hell? Disrespectful ass little Bitcoin. Just not what. Damn. I went out to grab a water, bro. Grab a sip and I miss it. God damn it. The good thing is it's recorded, so I guess I can go back and watch it later. All right, guys. So yeah, Bitcoin right now live breaking $35,000. I don't even want to cut the stream. I'm gonna keep it 100. I don't even want to cut the stream. At this point, like Shib Titan, welcome Shib Titan. He's saying 37,000 tonight. I'm a one up you. Look, if this continues at this rate, $40,000 is right around the corner, like straight up. Because what's happening right now is normally between 34,800 and 35,000. What you have is a gap that occurs for some reason, and it just shoots up from 35,000 to like 40,000. Like that's what's crazy. In fact, we can probably here. Let's check. Let's go ahead. I almost don't want to get out of here though and mess this up. What is this at here? Let me see. And like I said, if I end up going to go get some food real quick, because like I said, I was gonna cut this off a while ago, but damn, look at this. It's going crazy. And of course, you guys asking about projects, and of course, I will keep covering them. You guys know. In fact, let me just check in with the projects real quick. Bad idea. Let's see what bad idea is doing. But in case I end up doing that and leave the stream AFK for a little bit, um, I will leave it on the Bitcoin chart for you guys, though. So don't even trip. Don't even trip. All right, cool. I have so many windows open. Um, this right here is struggling. It's struggling. I'm not even gonna lie. All right, here it is. Yep. So 51.52. Look at this. Up 21.82% right now. Okay, we have bad idea going up. Look at this. Boom. Broke. Another leg. Absolutely exploded. Went. Look at that. Of course, like I told you guys, look at this. Boom. Absolutely exploded. I should probably start. It's at this point, let's see if it runs, because it's actually now meeting some resist. This has some previous resistance. If you check right here, look. Okay, so if it's able to break, if it's able to break, if it's able to break about the 52 mark, I would be very impressed if it does that. I don't know if it's going to be able to do that, but here, let me just go ahead and move this over here real quick just to see where we're at. Just see where we're at. Okay, cool. So this would be at a 55. So actually the previous resistance, which is a diagonal resistance, is actually at about 50 at the current spot that it's at about 55, at about 55, the 55 mark. So all this range right here could absolutely shoot up. In fact, let's go ahead and I'm over here telling you guys I'm gonna get something to eat, and then I start giving you guys technical analysis on a play. Oh, my girlfriend's gonna be mad. It's okay. Here, we got this, though. We got this, my people. Because look, all right. If I don't do it for you guys, who's gonna do it? All right. That's all I'm saying. Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, coming at you, giving you guys the TA that you guys definitely want. So hold on, let's bring this over here. Gotta bring this over here because I don't know where it's at. Right there. And then you got this one coming up over here. All right, cool. So basically, this is the current bullish flag that I see forming. Okay. In fact, I'm not trying to FUD this, but I am going to have to hit this mark right here. At this mark right here. Okay, so here we have it. So I could see it bouncing off of this over here. Not really going down so much, but yeah. And then actually, if it's able to flip this into a support, this right here is a resistance. This is a resistance. So if it's able to flip this and actually start bouncing off of this and then coming up here, it could have extreme movement towards the upside. Okay, and that is for Bad Idea AI. Let's go ahead and check out Bone. It was at 78 cents. Let's see where it's at right now. 79 cents, up 4.85%. Okay, just look at this. Everything looks like it's just mooning right now. Here, and this looks like crazy. Here, did it hit 200? Oh, it's about to hit 200 million too. So total market cap about to hit $200 million market cap. Bone Shiba Swap, the official layer 2 gas token. Okay, this is the official gas token for the layer 2 called Shellbarium. Do not sleep. All right, let me check the comments, my people. I'm sorry, I'm trying to keep up, trying to give you that, and still trying to get something to eat because this was supposed to be originally a 15 to 30 minute, but look at what Bitcoin started doing, man. Disrespectful, just absolutely moving up. So let me see. Ship Titan, what up, man? Uh, Ship could be, or they can dump. Yeah, see, that's what I'm scared of. Here, let me go back. It's like a movie, my people. I'm telling you, like a movie. All right, sheesh, it's about to hit 34.9 too. You see what I mean here? And what's calcium? Because I'm expecting calcium to actually go crazy. To be honest, at least hit 5 or 6 million. If it hits 5 or 6 million, that's gonna be interesting. It's up 20.83%. A little retrace right now. Little retrace right now to 2 cents to uh 2.2 cents. Okay, 0.022 cents. All right, cool. Here, let's go back. Let's go back because I don't want to miss this. Yeah, see, there it is. It's just too strong. The coin with the bit is too strong, my people. All right, here, let me go to some of these. All right, cool. It says bad is up 21%. Well, that's what I was telling Dylan earlier. You know what I mean? He wanted to he's still like I said, I'm not mad at him. I'm just saying, like he wants a huge percentage. Well, look, there it is for him, man. It's 20%, and I hope he gets another 20%, and I hope he gets another 20%. Because the thing is, like as you guys saw, he has a large bag in Bad Idea. Bad Idea is one of those plays that honestly, I don't even think you can get enough of it. If I'm gonna be honest, so just keep that in mind as well. So Bad Idea is up 21%. Crypto Hoarder, thanks, bro. Absolutely. Crypto Hoarder, Money Bags, Baja Lifer, Bone, Crypto Hoarder, Laughing. We got Lower Level. Bad has had 70%. It has had a 70% pump before. Okay. So, and that's, I mean, I think the moment right now is Bitcoin. The fact that these tokens are moving as much as they are moving, just be aware of it because as soon as Bitcoin stops doing what it's doing right now, it's about to touch 34,900. So I'm saying it once Bitcoin stops doing what it's doing, those tokens are going to continue to most likely trade sideways and go down. Okay, don't forget I had Bad Idea going down to about the 33 level. Okay, and I was trying to enter it at that point, uh, but this occurred. We had a pre-bull run rally that actually took Bitcoin to 34,800 currently. Okay, up 14%. And as a consequence of that 254% increase in volume, you have the rest of the crypto market taking off. In fact, let's go to Pepe. Where's Pepe at? Because Pepe was going absolutely crazy. Let me see, where's Pepe at? And Toad, what's Toad at? Because Toad was also going crazy too. Look at that. 7.15%. Pepe was up like 40% too. It's probably up more because Pepe is no, it took a little dip actually, but it's up 33%. In fact, and this is a bullish candle right here going up. Look at this the buy pressure. It's probably gonna keep going up too. Everything this is literally what it looks like when it comes to the bull market. Okay, when it comes to the bull market, just absolutely everything is pumping. It's like that chart that I keep showing you guys. Probably one of the most important charts that I've shown you guys. Okay, and I'm gonna keep showing it to you guys because if you guys don't understand the path to alt season, you guys are gonna be lost in the sauce. And right now, we're barely right here, phase one. Okay, Ethereum is gonna start pumping. Not that it's gonna start pumping today. I'm just saying eventually it's gonna get to a point where the pumps in Bitcoin are less than the pumps in Ethereum. In fact, Ethereum was about to reach 1,800. Where is it at right now? It probably already broke that because it was looking extremely bullish. Yep, here it is. It's at 1806, up 7.5%. Don't forget, this is a smaller market cap, so it has a potential to go up a higher amount of percent with the same amount of money. Okay, so but here it is. Absolute, look at this absolute just beastly chart, man. Everything's just looking so goddamn juicy, man. All right. So let me see. Let me see some what's going on over here. So yeah, Pepe up 32. Yep. I mean, that's what I'm saying. All right. So T Pro checking out. It was a pleasure to have you. All right. We'll have to meet up sometime in Mexico. You know, have some lobster and beer or something. Okay. Count me in with Baja Lifer as well. I got 55 billion bad. I want 20,000%. Damn, you got 55 billion bad. That's a good bag. That's a really good bag. Do not drop below 14. Don't sell any. I mean, not financial advice, but do not sell below 40 billion. I believe that is the magic number. Okay. So, all right, look, I'm going to go grab some food because my girlfriend hasn't ate yet. Okay. My girlfriend has not ate yet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this. I'm going to leave the Bitcoin chart right here up. I'm going to leave it up. If you guys, because honestly, if it goes back up to 35K, I want you guys to catch it. We'll see. This right here is, I mean, it's history in the making, man. 35,000 Bitcoin right here. The high of the year currently happening right now. And then on top of that, that's just the beginning. Let's see if right now they start a sell off. 35,000 is a very strong resistance for Bitcoin. Always has been. So we'll see right now if it keeps going down to 34,000. Maybe people will start getting in the into the practice of getting their profits right now. But because FOMO, this is the first time all year that I can see FOMO happening in big people, in big whales, in institutions. Like it looked like they were trying to keep the price down. And at this point, it was too difficult for them to keep the price down. So right now you see it going down to 34. Let's see how low it goes. Because if you see before as well, it came up here to 34,000 and then it dipped to 32,600. So think about that. From 34 to 32,000. That's 1,500. So now, and that was just like nothing. So now we reached $35,050. Okay. So now you can expect maybe a retrace down, a pullback. Okay. See this pullback maybe to 34,000. Okay. If it hits 34,000, about 34, maybe 33,500. Okay. About here, 33,500 or so, somewhere around here. And then starts going back up. I could see that. Now, if it breaks below 33,500, I would just be a little concerned to see if this was actually a bull trap that was set up by mega whales and some of these institutions like BlackRock. Because you see, it's 34,500 now. So there is a dip, like I told you was going to happen. I mean, it's not that I'm a genius, crypto Nostradamus. It's just that is where some of the resistance points are. Now, the thing is, do the bulls dominate and control this market at this moment? Or are the bears still going to sell for quick profits, perhaps thinking it's going to dip down to below 30,000, which technically is a possibility? Okay. Just something for you guys to keep in mind. So thanks for the live, bro. Catch you again. Absolutely, Baha. Thank you for coming in, bro. Go get that food, man. This ain't stopping tonight. You got to eat. You're right. And I am bouncing right now, but I am going to leave this up for you guys to just check it out right now. Once again, Crypto Marxist, appreciate you guys coming in. I'm going to leave it up because I believe it's either going to go up to 37 or it's going to dip down to below 33. If it dips to below 33, I will tell you this. This is not financial advice. If it dips to below 33, I would say some of you guys secure some of those profits. Okay. Maybe 25% of them. Okay. Because if you don't, and then it starts going back down, or if Bitcoin dips down 15% or 20%, those profits are going to be gone unless you're in the long run, and then use that as an opportunity to get your bag in. Okay. So that's what it is. I'll be back later. I'm going to leave this up. And yeah, Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, just came at you. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that sub. Go ahead and hit that like. Help me with the algorithm. Leave a comment so when I come back, I will reply to it. Hit the bell so that you can be notified when I go live or when I drop content. And one last thing. If you want a specific video on any Shiba Inu ecosystem token, any partnership, write a question, or can you do a video on and a specific thing, because as you guys know, I cover as much as possible and I get into the nitty gritty details, whether it's bad idea, the validators that they're doing, the APIs, what how they are now incorporating the version 2, which actually gives customization, more memory, more customized conversations in chat rooms. Don't forget, before for you guys to ask the bad AI bot, you had to do /AI. After the 2.0, it's /bad, and it's way more accurate. So just something for you guys. And I tested that myself. So with that said, I will catch you guys when I come back. I might just come back and shut it off. We'll see. But I'm gonna leave it up because honestly, 34, this chart is looking crazy. All right. And Leash is making a move. Come on, Baja. Why you do that, bro? You know I want to go over here hungry. Here, let me go. Let me slide over here real quick. Let me slide over to check out Leash real quick before his last one I'm gonna check, guys. But it is part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And I cannot disrespect it like that. Oh yeah, it's moving 13% as well. Don't forget, this one is also one of those bangers. Leash is one of those bangers. I believe Leash might be worth more than Bitcoin in the long run. Why do I say that? It's worth $323 right now. The market cap is only 34,000 and the circulating supply is only 107,000. Huge spike that just came in. Here it is. You're right, Baja. You're on point for that one, man. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's community. And Ethereum is at 1836 as well. So, damn. Yeah, things are looking up. In fact, it's looking like it's not just going to stay. It's looking like it's fighting 34,700. In fact, it's looking like it's going back. It might just hit 37,000 today, my people. All right, let me go ahead and bounce up out of here. I'm going to leave it up AFK. Hopefully it stays up. But yeah, appreciate y'all. All right, catch y'all later. What up, everyone? Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, coming at you. If you like the Shiba Inu ecosystem, you're in the right place. So, Bad Idea AI reveals a major update. I'm gonna go ahead and cover how they actually revealed the update. We're gonna see how some of the influencers are talking about it, and then we'll go ahead and check out the GitHub, which actually shows every single update to the Bad Idea AI. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and stay tuned. All right, first of all, this is how they announced it. We are excited to announce version 2.0 release notes for Bad Idea AI. Key features include memory retention on a per room basis, performance boosts, and security updates. Beta deployment in a few hours, and we invite community feedback. Learn more. And then they actually have the GitHub right here. We'll go ahead and check that GitHub, but let's see what these posts were like. So this was the very first one, excitement and announcing that it was about to be released in a few hours. Then version 2 at Bad Idea AI bot is live. Not such a bad idea it came up with. As an AI part of the SHIB army and bad team, let's think of a crypto related idea. How about creating a digital art gallery where artists can showcase and sell their work in the form of NFTs? This platform can support both established and aspiring artists, and buyers can purchase these digital art pieces using bad tokens. This creates a supportive ecosystem for artists and a unique marketplace for art collectors and enthusiasts. So here's the question. So Bad Idea AI of Shabarium. Bad, give me an idea. As an AI part of SHIB team and Bad team, let's think of a crypto related idea. How about creating a digital art gallery where artists can showcase and sell their work in the form of NFTs? This platform can support both established and aspiring artists, and buyers can purchase these digital art pieces using Bad tokens. This creates a supportive ecosystem for artists and a unique marketplace for art collectors and enthusiasts. So basically, this is this right here. So already you can see how the update to the version 2.0 is being received by the community, and how you can see that it's actually more productive. I myself went on it, and I might, well, here, I'll just tell you. So I asked it a question, a very specific question. This was about 2 weeks ago before the update, and it gave me a very general response, very long but general. Today, I actually asked the exact same question, and it gave me the answer that I wanted. Okay, so I can verify that the updated version is definitely more productive and more efficient than the previous update. So if you were doing slash AI and then the question, it's changed. Now it's slash bad and then the question in the Telegram, for example. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and go into this. 12 hours ago, in an at X post, the Bad team made the exciting announcement that version 2.0 release notes for Bad Idea AI has launched. Key features include memory retention on a per room basis, performance boost, and security updates. Okay, and this is actually what Mr. Lightspeed said. Hi, everyone. Just published a full page article at CoinMarketCap for the Bad Idea branded hardware wallet. Oh, I'm sorry. This was not the one that I was actually talking about, though. But basically, what I wanted to show you, oh, here it is. So exciting times for the Bad Idea community. Our latest upgrade is making waves, memory retention on a per room basis, performance boost, security updates. He also had shown the GitHub first, because that's where I got that information first. So let's go ahead and check this out right here. As you guys can see, that amazing Shiba Inu with the bad logo. Honestly, I had to use that as a background real quick. So let's go ahead and keep this going. So it says Shiba Inu AI partner reveals major upgrade. Here's what's new. And this is from Tommy Wabold Olajide. Bad up 15% in the last 24 hours to 7 zeros 55.78. I think it took a little dip from that, but still holding strong. So Shiba Inu AI partner Bad Idea AI has revealed a new upgrade that brings a number of improvements. In an X post, the Bad team made an exciting announcement that version 2.0 release notes for Bad Idea AI has launched. Key features include memory retention on a per room basis, performance boost, and security updates. I actually went through this post with you guys. I haven't read this article, so I didn't know exactly what it was going to cover, but it's good that it did cover that, and we already verified that, so we know that that is true. So, in another tweet, Bad proposed a crypto related idea as an AI part of the Shiba Inu community. It proposes the establishment of a digital art gallery where artists can display and sell their artwork in the form of NFTs. This platform would be able to assist both established and emerging artists, and customers would be able to purchase these digital art pieces with Bad tokens. This would establish a supportive environment for artists, as well as a one of a kind marketplace for art collectors and lovers. Earlier this week, Bad announced the release of a cold wallet developed in conjunction with Tangent that provides a convenient solution for users to store their Bad tokens, as well as hundreds of other crypto assets. Bad Idea AI describes itself as a decentralized experiment that mixes blockchain, artificial intelligence, AI, and DAOs in a risky, meme worthy concoction, quote unquote. Bad Idea AI gained attention after announcing a collaboration with Shiba Inu. Bad states that its collaboration with Shiba Inu focuses on growing Shibarium with AI centric tools. Some tools may be restricted to Shibarium projects, while others may have a broader reach. Bad was up 15% in the last 24 hours to 70 55 78 at the time of writing. Okay, so that is actually pretty exciting, if I have to say so myself. So let's see what it looks like. So as soon as you actually go to the GitHub, this is what you're greeted with. A table of contents, the introduction, why Bad Idea AI, tokenomics, Solidity code, safety, contributors, socials, release notes. We'll check that right now because that's actually what we're talking about. Listing and license. So this actually shows all of it. So they wanted feedback. Actually, just quickly, I might even just do a video on that on the whole GitHub. To be honest, because I know you guys like to see bad idea content. So I'm gonna give it to you. So the one thing I had was this though. So it says this and many more. Now don't say and many more. List every single thing and don't leave any out. This and many more. I know it's not laziness. I mean, obviously, but it just looks more professional. And maybe and many more to come. Then you can leave it like that. But if it's just this, it seems too plain to me. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and hit back the situation with the release notes though, because this I thought was pretty interesting. So this is the current version right here, the one they just released. But if you are interested in finding out every single one of these, version 1.1 all the way to version 2.0, which is what they just released. So introduce testing for user profile management. I'm just quickly going to go over some of these. Minor bugs and issues, that was at 1.3. 1.5, let's see what we find. Fine tune and user experience for improved usability. Let's go to 1.7. Fix, address user feedback by resolving reported issues. 1.8, resolve compatibility issues with various APIs. And here is actually the last one. I'm going to read this one though. So version 2.0, current version. And if you actually notice that the version 2.0 is actually more extensive. Look at this, way more extensive than all previous ones. All the prior ones seemed limited, like one bullet point, 2 bullet points for 1.8. For 1.7, you have 1 bullet point, 2 bullet points, 1 bullet point. This one above actually has 3 bullet points, like 3 bullet points, 1 bullet point. But let's check 2.0, version 2.0, current version. Highlights memory retention on a per room basis is now in general availability. Bullet number 2, significant bug fixes and performance improvements. Bullet point 3 for highlights. Essential security updates to protect your data. New features, memory retention on a per room basis ensures that conversations remain contextually relevant within specific rooms. Improvements, performance boosts, um, semicolon, fine, or no, that's colon, fine tuned for faster response times and smoother user experience. Bug fixes, enhanced stability, reduce the chances of unexpected errors and disruption. Security updates, essential updates to keep your conversation safe and private. Acknowledgements, thanks to our amazing community for their continued support and feedback. You're welcome. All right, guys. So that right there is essentially what we're looking at. Let's go ahead and check out the price real quick. Let's see what the chart is. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go back to Bitcoin real quick. Your boy is back. So I'm probably going to go ahead and close out this stream. Just wanted to make sure I thanked everyone that actually dropped by in the stream. Of course, we witnessed Bitcoin going to 35,000. And I told you guys it was probably going to get rejected at 35,000. And guess what? As I come back, it's looking like it's going to get rejected. But we need to see how far the rejection is. Is this just a retrace to 33,400? Like I told you guys, it might occur, or is this now going to fall back down to about 31, maybe 30? If it goes below 30,000, expect most of the gains that we've had to be most likely wiped out, like straight up, because that's how this crypto thing goes. With that said, let's go ahead and just check the charts one last time in case anyone comes through. Look at this. 80 cents for Bone Shiba swap. All right. Let me see. Where's SHIB? Did SHIB break the 800 mark yet? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at with SHIB? 755. All right, not bad, not bad. All right, let's see where we're at with calcium. Calcium always likes to retrace too. Was that 2 cents? Looking like it's at 1988. It actually took a, oh, it spiked hella. It actually went up, up. Oh, sheesh. Oh, this is gonna definitely go back up right now. Oh, this is gonna go crazy. All right, cool. Well, of course, not financial advice, just putting you on some of these plays that I'm on. All right, cool. With that said, Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that sub, hit that like, hit that bell so you guys can be notified when I come on and I'm live or when I drop content. Of course, you guys know I cover the Shiba Inu ecosystem, in particular the Shibarium blockchain and related partners, or as they're known, partnerships: Shiba Inu, Bone, Leash, the Shiboshis, Tree, She, Wellies NFTs, Shiboshis NFTs, the brick and mortar restaurants, Bad idea, artificial intelligence, blockchain, decentralized autonomous organization, decentralized experiment, as well as Paulzone, a partner, and Calcium, the bastard child, I guess, of Shiba Inu, if you want to look at it like that. With that said, appreciate everyone that checked in, and I'm out. Peace.